Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review a very unique product. The product name is Your Publishing Biz. So this is in a training product that shows how to get started in low content self publishing business. So here you get to know how to start your self publishing business for low content products. So first you will ask, what is the low content book? Content book, so you no need to write big articles, full-fledged book. So low content book is like a action based, like you can write a puzzle book. So puzzle book, coloring book, activity book, any generals, these are some low content books. You get it, what is the low content book? So here in this training, you will get 40 training videos and software that help you to create your low content books, and it can be establish you as a publisher for this low content books. So anyone can create this low content book in just hour or in short time once you go through this training course. So this training is very unique. In this training they taught you how to create low content book and how to publish all these books, because this low content book market is day by day it's growing and you have a great opportunity there. So this training, with the help of this training, as this is very newbie friendly, so you can establish as a publisher. So this product is great for who want to make money online. You can create your low content books and you can publish it on Amazon Kindle publisher, so where you can earn the money in the form of royalty or commission. So this is the good way to earn the money. Today I have a great offer for you. I have studied this software and this training. I have gone through their member area. So I have found some loophole, but I have a great offer for you. So I have created some bonuses, so that bonus will act as an add-on, so which help you to create this product complete for you with the help of my bonus. I have the bonuses, great bonuses for you, and so you will get the bonuses from my side and plus vendor bonuses if you purchase this product through my link is already in the description. You have to just go through that description. You will get the bonuses from my side and vendor side. So take you first through the member area and I will show how this training area and what are the features of this training module. So we'll go through this member area, then we'll go to the sales page, we'll see the price. So let's review this product. So I will take you through the bonuses which is helpful and which is act as an add-on for this software. So this software training module help you to establish as a low content publisher. So this is perfect for beginner. So it include training and software. You can create your first book and get it published. So in detail there is tutorial is given. So I will take you through that member area. But before that I will just go through these bonuses. So these are some key features. So entire training is given. So inside this training model you get the training and the software that create puzzles and color book image for you. So these are the things what you are getting inside your publishing biz. So you will get complete training about to start your own self publishing business, and you will get over 40 instruction videos, step by step over shoulder case study of creating and publishing a book on the Amazon Kindle platform. So they will guide how to launch it in on Amazon platform for your sale, and the software that create the word search puzzle and color book pages. So you will get the access to their Facebook membership group also, that private group. There more than 3,000 member is there. So you will get the access for this private group. So I have created very interesting bonuses for you. So these bonuses will act add on for this, because I have gone through this training. So I studied what bonuses that will be really helpful to grow on your business. So my first bonus is that self-publishing master guide. This tutorial course costing around $197, I will give you free. So here in this bonus, you will get the ready-made templates that can you use to run widely profitable Kindle publishing business. You here you will get to know how to find profitable keywords and niches. So entire thing. So in this bonus, you will get to know how to develop your this Kindle publishing business. So my second interesting business, which will helpful to you to grow your business, that is 5K publishing pay days. So here the case study is given how anyone can make $5,000 per month with an hour work per day, and this uses 100% free traffic. So this bonus is helpful to you to grow your business. My third bonus I have selected for you, that is FB Ninja advertising and retargeting tags, so that you can grow your business on Facebook and you can promote your business on Facebook. So here with this bonus, you will know how to become a super affiliate and FB ad ninja techniques. So you can earn $3,000 per day with these tactics, and you can retarget your customer. So this will helpful you to promote or campaign your books or your business. So my fourth bonus is something different from this niche, but as you know, today YouTube is growing like anything. So you can promote your business on YouTube. So my this fourth bonus is how to exploit your YouTube channel. So here step by step tutorial is given how to establish your YouTube channel, how to rank your videos so that your business can go to the next level. So here complete YouTube tutorial is given. So this is very beneficial for you. And my next bonus is you will get all the vendor bonuses apart from my all these 4 bonuses. So don't miss these bonuses. So link is already given in my description. If you want to purchase this product, just go through that link. Once you click on that link, you will get this product along with the my bonuses and vendor bonuses also. So I will just quickly take you through this product. So first I will take you through this member area, and then we'll discuss the price and upsell price. Hi. So I will just quickly take you through this member area, this training module. So this look like this. So once you come to here, this home page, so there is some portion that all tutorial is given on left hand side. So this beginner basics. So if you are totally newbie in this self-publishing and new publishing business, then you just go through this beginner part. But if you are aware of for this self-publishing, you can start with basics. So just I will take you through this portion. So in this beginner, some overview is given. So in this overview, it is explained what is the self-publishing all about. This 5-minute tutorial is there, so you will get the idea about what is this self-publishing, what are the low content publishing. All this thing is explained in step by step. So in next video, how to this work is how you can make money with this self-publishing. Where what are the platform available to publish this thing. So what are the model, on which model means actually there is some royalty. You will on the basis of sales you will get paid as per your selling. Suppose some 100 books is sold, so you will get certain commission and all this thing. You don't need to do anything. You just place, because Amazon is providing you that Kindle platform. You have to just place your book there, and then later on they will take care. You will get paid for each and every sales. So here you can join their Facebook group. As I told you, this is private Facebook group. So this is basic. So basic. Here everything is given. What are the low content types of book? How to write the description? How to design your cover? How to find keyword search? how to find attractive titles and subtitles for your these books. So here pricing, categories, reviews, sales and royalty, working with the PDO, everything is given, means from scratch to finish. Means even newbie or any new person in this, they will taught you how to create books, your cover page, description, everything from start to finish to upload your books on Kindle. So here first book, that your how you create your first book. So preparation, creating of the interior, your title page, how you create title, margin, cover templates. Cover templates, there is some ready-made cover templates is given and you can create that templates is here. So here some setup is given, Kindle setup 1, Kindle setup 2. So you can go through. And then once you create your book, then next step is to publish your book. So here everything is given how to publish your book on that platform. So till this part, all tutorial is covered from scratch to finish. So as a newbie also, you will get to know how to create book and how to publish it. So next part is software. As I told, along with this tutorial, you will get the software also. So this inbuilt software is also given. So this software will help you to create your word search, puzzles and coloring pages. So next part is advanced. Let's see what is there. So once you complete your books and with the help of software you create your puzzles and coloring books. So these are the advanced section. Here you will learn how to advertise your product or your books, and what are the purchasing content should be there, how to write your content for your product, and here some hacks is given how to scale up your business. So everything is given from creation of the book, software, even advanced level you will came to know how to grow your product, how to scale your business, how to do advertising. Here the special here in interview section, here in training section, some of the successful people in this publications business. So the interview is given. So here some video interviews there for Keith Wheeler, Gary Baker. So many video is there. So it will motivate you. So these are the personality which are successful in this field. As I told you, you will get the bonuses from vendor. Here for support, help is given. So you can contact their support person. So this is the review. So in short, I summarize that this is very unique software and training module. So I just summarize. See, this low content publication biz is growing and this is unique. So here everything is given, means actually training is given, even software is given to create this product, and here advertising, how to do advertising, even the platform is given, which platform you need to sell these books, products, everything in detail is given. Plus they have you will get the entry to their Facebook group, where you can interact with the same like-minded people. So overall, this is the very good combination of training and software. So this is the review from my side. So I'll just quickly take you through the price part of this. So I will just quickly take you through this sales page. So I will just go through this main point. If you want to go through in detail, the link is already given in the description. You can go through that link. It will directly redirect you to the sales page. So these are the some types of low content books like this. See, puzzle book, coloring book, activity book, that prompt book, generals. Means actually this low content books is the action based book. So you have to take some action for like to solve the puzzles and coloring. No special skill is required to create this low content book. So these are the some low content books, and here some earning proof is given. So these are some puzzle book. These are some testimonials given by the people who gone through this training and using their product or software. You can go through it. So as I told you, there are means 40 videos are there. So for beginners, 8 videos there, basic 22 videos, first book use 11 videos. Same time software is also there. And as I told you, you will get the vendor bonuses, that 200 great niches idea, 25 mandala coloring images. And apart from that, you will get 30 days money back guarantee. So these are some FAQ. So how much cost I required? So you don't need to pay anything, because this Amazon will provide you the platform. You just need to set up your account on Amazon, so that you will receive the royalty from your books. You can go through all these questions. So this is from sales page. Now I'll take you through the price part. So we'll just go through the price part. This front end price is $37 for this product. In this front sale, you will get all this training and software. And there is only one upsell. This upsell for $24.95. It is set of interviews with successful low content book publishers. So this is the review from my side. So if you want to purchase this product, link is already given in the description. So you will get the bonuses from my side, which is much more relevant for this product. So you can get that bonuses. You will get vendor bonuses as well. So just go through that link. I hope this review is helpful to you. On my channel, I will come up with the upcoming digital product review. So do visit my channel, subscribe my channel. If you like this review, share this review with your friends. Thank you.